Ed, Aussie barley prices have absolutely surged this week since China dropped those tariffs on the agricultural product.
Yeah, I guess it's not really a surprise, but remember on Saturday, China dropped the tariffs, and basically the implication is China is going to start buying a lot more Australian barley worth between $1 to $2 billion worth of the product a year, but that's not really going to begin until October, because right now the barley is actually in the ground being grown. It hasn't been harvested yet, but it will start being harvested from October onwards. But what's happened in the last 4 days since China dropped its tariffs is there have been some barley buyers in other countries that have been looking to buy the remnants of last year's crops that's been sitting in silos both in Victoria and in Perth. So we've seen some barley prices increase by as much as 10% just over the past couple of days out of the ports of Melbourne and Kwinana over at Perth. So this is really just a sign of what's to come later this year, because expect the Chinese buyers are buying barley to make beer, which requires a higher grade barley and therefore requires a higher cost. So expect barley prices, Pete, to keep going up towards the end of this year.
And we have some of the best barley in the world, no doubt about that.